Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Konrad sangma balong Myntri Rangbah jong jella haka khatnyu tarik urisau arjar arpulai ulalej banjurip hi dalade yaka Jowai Civil Hospital kabadan hakasnong yalong bat yaka kyang nangba Government College harangkat ka jingsan ran lang jong MLA ka Jowai constituency uba wailat migi shilla haka jingle jurip yaka kyang nangba Government College Myntri Rangbah ulaong Baka Jingdawa kalong ka Jingdon kam kerki yaki kamra kelas nakadaw ka Jingbun jogi samla puli kibawan puli hagani ka college. Kadba haga bayadei bar ka Jowai Civil Hospital ulay kren halor ka Jingpen biang ya ka boarding ka Jingduna jogi nongtray ka Jingpen biang yaki tiar gitar bat yaki doctor specialist.
After discussion with many of our cabinet ministers and our MLAs, we had decided that whenever we visit different locations, then a visit to education institutes and to medical health institutes should be done. Today also in that line, after the the request of the local MLA Mawailat, who was insistent that we should visit these two institutes, Rangbah College and the Civil Hospital. So based on his suggestion, I have visited, and the idea was to communicate and talk. I have requested that the committees and the boards in each of these institutes, whether it's the college or the hospital, should sit with our local MLA Mawailat, along with the officials from health and education respectively, and then submit a full detailed report. We would like to see that at least the district headquarters, the institutes, especially education and health, we should try and improve them to whatever level we can. And small improvements and small, steps that we take can make a huge difference. So, of course, requirements are large. We will try to achieve them to whatever level possible. But there are many things that can be done even in a very quick manner that can have a huge difference. So we are seeing that in Rangbah there is a requirement for additional classrooms, and the Honourable MLA has mentioned to me earlier also, and today also in the meeting it was mentioned. So I've asked the Honourable MLA to submit a full detailed report after discussion with the management committee there and the principal and the staff, and we will take steps to figure out how to look into the report that is submitted by him. Similarly, here also there were requirements of power issues were there, manpower issue was there, issues of some equipments were there, issues of some specialists being out here, and in the longer run expansion also in the hospital. So all of these aspects were discussed, and I'm very thankful to both the managing committee at the college and the staff here in the civil hospital for their time. And I want to give an assurance to all the people here also, and citizens especially of Jente Hills, that we are here to ensure that in whatever way our efforts can be put in to ensure that community at large, the public at large, especially when it comes to the social service and sectors like health and education, we will try to do whatever possible to improve the services. And I have urged the Honourable MLA to take an active role in it, and in fact he has been the person who is responsible for calling and inviting me here, and so together we will ensure that we're able to improve the overall health services and educational, especially in the higher technical education for the citizens of Jente Hills at large.
Because last time Dr. Vijay came, the Commissioner of Finance, so he came here because we were waiting for that report from this IIT Guwahati, because we, last time we discussed with you, we'll continue the work, sir. So, but we have to check how strong are those, because they have been left out foundations and all. So we were waiting for the report, and the report has come. So now at that time only we have directed the PWD department that they will prepare the fresh estimate, because the estimate has changed, because that was the previous one. So now we have directed the department to prepare fresh estimate, and then we'll call the tender. That was there.
And can I just add to this, that whatever recommendations and suggestions come from the local MLA for any of the other issues that are there in Jowai constituency, we will be taking it up the matter, and as per his suggestions, whatever requirements are there, we will fulfill the requirements for the Yamusiam shopping complex also, and even for other areas also. I urge that if there's anything issue that has to be brought out, our local MLA is there, he can be approached and the issue can be brought to us if there are any issues that are there or concerns that are there.